Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 68. So, as we see that there are two cylinders. There is the first one and there is the second one. And these two cylinders joins by this profile. So, first we will create this profile, and this profile can be created by two ways. The first one is swept boss and second one is the extruded boss. But swept boss need two sketches while the extruded boss needs only one sketch. So we go with the extruded boss. Why swept boss need two sketches? First we will understand this. So swept boss need two sketches because the one sketch is for the profile of this shape and second one is the path of this shape, right? So extruded boss is easy to create this profile. So we go with the extruded boss to create this, and at the last we will create these two cylinders with this hole. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this. Now select front plane and go to sketch, select a line and draw one horizontal line like that and draw an arc. So simply, if you want to draw the arc, so go back to this point and you have one arc, right? So do same here like that and draw one horizontal line here. Now select smart dimension and apply this distance. It is 30 plus 75 minus 25, so it is total 80, right? And arc of this radius of this arc is 35 and radius of this arc is 75. So apply. Now distance between this two point is 185 and this one is half of the smaller cylinder diameter, so it is 55 by 2. Okay, and now select this arc and this line and make tangent. Now here select offset entity, select this line and make sure this cap ends is activate, and here is lines should be selected, and this offset is 40 mm, right? And apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded boss, and the thickness of this is 25, but from mid plane, so it is 25. Okay, now select the top plane and go to sketch, select circle and draw two circles from this origin, and from this mid point draw two circle like that. Now apply the diameter of this four circle. The outer is 55 and this inner is 30. This outer is 85 and this inner is 60. Now apply OK. Go to features and select extruded boss. So here first go to selected contours and select this one and select this, and here select blind, so it is 25 above this surface. And now select direction to, no, it is not 25, sorry, it is 30. So it is 30, and this downward direction, it is 100 minus 30, so it is 70, right? Now again select red boss and here select the same sketch, right? And now go to selected control against and clear the selection. Now select this one and here select surface, face and plane. So this is the surface, so that 25 above this surface, and downward direction is 115 minus 25, so it is 90. Apply OK. Now go to fillet and select this one and select this one. So we have that is all four sides selected, sorry. So that is 12 mm. Now again select the fillet and select this one, and select this one and this one and apply OK. Now select the chamfer, select this outer four edges that is 5 mm by 45 degree. So apply OK. Now again go to chamfer and select the inner edges. It is 3 mm by 45 degree. Right. Now again select the front plane. Now select one circle and draw. Diameter of this circle is 12 mm. And from here is distance 42.5. And the distance from this bottom is 55. Now go to features and select extrude cut, and here select through all both, apply OK. Now again select extrude cut and select this sketch 4, and here clear the selections and select this inner circles and apply through all both. Now our exercise is ready. So now we will apply the appearance to it. Select this one and here select appearance, select the body and apply this one. So our exercise has been completed, and this is our isometric view. If you like this exercise, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.